my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, loves. So if you are new here and you're visiting, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Okay, guys, today I am doing a tag. I have been tagged by Lady Phoenix of Really Good Living, and the tag is called Timeless Elegance Decor Tag Spring 2020. Okay, it's an open tag for all creators. Now, Lady Phoenix, she does this tag every season, but this will be my first time ever participating. So thank you, Lady Phoenix, for asking me to participate. Okay, guys, so the date for the video is May 15th or any time up until the end of spring, which is June 19th. Now, what Lady Phoenix wants us to do is she wants us to tell what is and what does timeless elegance decor means to us. Okay? So, I'm going to start off by telling you that timeless elegance to me is number one is flowers. Okay? Spring flowers is timeless elegance to me because you can bring in the lighter colors and more softer colors with flowers. Also, you can use fresh flowers and flowers for the season, okay? You can use flowers and they give off beautiful aroma with the different scents. You can change them out, as I said, by the season, or even not by the season. You can just change the color out on your flowers, okay? And depending on what kind of mood you're in, okay? So definitely flowers is timeless elegance to me, okay? Now, scented candles and reed diffusers, that would be number two, okay? I love using scented candles, guys. It's timeless elegance. You can use them all year round. With scented candles, you can bring in the lighter and softer colors as well. You can also match your decor with candles, and scented candles fill the air, which awakens your senses and can give a calming effect. Now, with reed diffusers, I love using my reed diffusers. Reed diffusers give a beautiful look to your room. You can make your own natural diffusers using essential oils, which I love to do as opposed to the commercially bought ones. I love using lemongrass. It gives a clean and a vibrant scent to the room without being overwhelmed. As you can see, this reed diffuser right here. Now, this is a commercially diffuser. I have my reed sticks in it though, and I forget what scent it is, but like I said, I like using lemongrass, and with essential oils you can, make the scents to your own liking. You can make it the way you want it. You can make it as strong as you want, or it doesn't even have to be that strong if you don't like that, strong scent. And they have so many essential oils that you can use. Third on my list would be decor. You can definitely find timeless elegance in your decor. Now, I'm a glam girl, so I love using glam decor. That's my preference of choice. But there are other decor that can be timeless as well, as Bohemian, Minimalist, Rustic, Farmhouse, Traditional. All these things can be timeless elegance, okay? So what you see here is what I'm using as my timeless elegance is I have this crystal jar right here. I love using crystal. Crystal is definitely time elegance to me. It just says Glam, and it just says sophistication. And I have a crystal perfume bottle right there. And that's definitely time elegance to me. It's just something about crystal that's just beautiful and elegant. Okay. Mirrors. Now, mirrors says time elegance to me because of their glam factor. Okay. As you can see here, I'm using this crystal vase. I'm sorry, the mirrored vase. Sorry about that. It's a mosaic mirrored vase. Also, I have it sitting on a mirror and crystal gem tray. And mirror just says time elegance because mirrors can make a room look bigger. It can reflect beautiful light. It reflects beautiful candlelight. And you can use mirrors just for about anything, okay? And that definitely says time elegance to me. I don't think mirrors will ever go out of style. They are a beautiful piece. So here are all my glam pieces together. I have the scented candle, I have the reed diffuser, I have my crystal, and I have my mirror, and I have my flowers. Okay, so those are all my timeless elegant pieces in a vignette. Now let's move on to the other timeless pieces. Okay guys, last and not least, this is not last, but both of these are going together as pillows, okay? Pillows are timeless elegance to me. Throw pillows, you can change out the color, you can change out your textures, you also can change out your patterns, and you can just throw them around on your couch, on your bed. So they are definitely timeless elegance to me. And last but not least are throws. Now throws you can use all year round. You can change out the color of them to match your decor as well. You can change out the textures depending on the season. You can use the lightweight throws for when spring and summer comes around. And you can still throw it on your couch and it'll still be elegant. You can drape it. And as you can see here, I have two lightweight throws here. I've changed out my big puffy furry ones and thick ones to my more lightweight spring summer throws, guys. So those are my timeless elegant pieces, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go over to Lady Phoenix's channel. I will leave her link down below in the description box, and come on and jump in on this timeless elegance decor videos, okay? It will be going on until the end of spring. So guys, that's it. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, my loves.